Tristen, and today we're going to talk about prices going down in San Diego for the first time in years. This is due to affordability, the fact that we've seen interest rates go up, go down, and back up again, and the economic turmoil that's out there right now, and the uncertainty that home buyers are feeling. So today, let's dive into the what does not lie, which is our numbers, and let's look at what we've got going on. Remember, if you have questions, my information is below. You can text, email me, call me, or drop a comment, and I will get back to you. And hopefully this will increase some affordability for home buyers in today's market. So we're looking at the numbers that just closed. They came out this week in San Diego County. And so you can see, let's pull it up, just make it even a little bigger. Let's look at the detached single family homes here. So we're seeing more homes come on the market, not a ton, but a 4% increase. We've gone from 2,100 to 2,200. Pending sales, that's pretty similar. Closed sales are actually up, so that means that homes have been closing, but with the rise in the inventory, it's not quite even. Here's the number we're really looking at right here is 2.13%. And this is our median sales price, okay? So we are down, you've still over $1 million, but we are down that 2.3% price. So that is a big difference to see the numbers. It's going to be a telltale sign if we watch this go on and on for a couple of months, and that will show us where the market is really going. I will say that my phone has been ringing a little bit more, but it's still pretty quiet for this time of year. The other numbers we want to look at right here, inventory is up 11%. Now we don't have a ton of inventory, okay? Look, it's not huge, but it's enough. It's a move up, okay? The other things that we're going to start to look at here is we're going to start to look at list price received, okay? So what that number tells me is, are home sellers willing to accept prices below what they originally listed their home for? And we're looking here and we can see we were at 100%, so they were getting over asking price. Now we're at just 99.7% with a 1.5% decrease. So that is saying there's a little bit of movement, but pretty much they are almost still getting what they are asking for. All right, let's look in the attached single family homes here, okay? Attached single family homes, we have a 14% increase in new listings. That's quite big. We have a very, very low, like we're just pretty much even in closed sales. But then let's look here at the number we always want to look at, right? The percent we're down in median prices, very low, only 0.8%. So not a lot of movement there. Same here on our listed sales price. We are seeing inventory go up, and we are seeing days on market go up still to 29. Okay, so it's not a ton of movement, but it is a movement in the right direction for people. Now, the other things I want to look at, and when I look at this is overall San Diego County, we can then separate it into the different quads. Metro County is actually the only area of San Diego that is up in price. So if you're thinking about buying in North Park, South Park, downtown, any of those areas, you are still looking at a slight gain here at 1.1%, okay? They are taking offers a little bit lower here. So you can see that right here, okay? Your median price is 1.2 million. And our days on market have gone up just slightly. So things are moving more in this area. Same with the condos here. Condos are going to be down, actually up a little bit in this area. So these are the two areas to think about. That's the one area I know is definitely making some motions up. Let's look at our North San Diego County. Let's look at North San Diego County. So right here, we are down 4%. Still pretty high number at $1.2 million for our median sales price, but down quite a bit. Our days on market, these are the median days on market. Our average is actually higher. So we're looking at a 50% increase. So that's a huge jump in days on market. Now, if we're gonna look at our sales to list price ratio, right here, we're gonna start to see we are quite a bit down. We went down to 98.6%. That tells me homes are sitting longer, sellers are more anxious, and there may be some opportunity for a lower offer to be received. All right, so now we're gonna look here at our condos and our attached homes. We're down 1.8%, up only 19%, and list to sales price received 99%. Here, right, we're seeing this negative 2.2% in median price. We're still getting over asking in most of the homes here, so that's pretty big. Inventory is actually down here. New listings are up. That's pretty normal for this time of year. Okay, that's pretty normal. So we're not terribly worried here, but we are, seeing some prices go down. In our attached homes, we're down 7%. That's a lot. That's a lot to start to notice. We are still getting good offers, and we are not seeing as many homes hit the market in South San Diego County. Finally, let's look in our East County. Okay, if you're an East County person or thinking about purchasing there. East County, we are only down 1.2%. We do have 10% more new homes listed. We are still receiving close to asking price, and our days on market has gone up 55%. So for the median sales price here, we're at $492. We've dropped 12.9%. So if I'm thinking about buying in this area, this might be an area I'm going to start to look at. Maybe now is a good time using a 2-1 buy down, a 1-1 buy down. Sellers are getting more open to concessions. And if you don't know what a 2-1 buy down is, please reach out to me. Looking here at the entire MLS for San Diego County, right here. And we're gonna look at our single family homes. So for the entire San Diego County, we're actually down a little bit more at 2.8%. Okay, so that's going to take in even more different things. And then when we're looking at our days on market, we look at the average. We're about 25 days or 34 for the entire MLS area. So all of these numbers are available to you. I'm popping the link into Redfin here. We're up 26% in inventory. So historically, homes were selling for more because we had low inventory, but now buyers have more choices. So sellers are going to have to be really strategic and really, really price your home well and have that home ready to go. Very, very important. One of the things that you're going to want to make sure of is if you're selling at the right time. If you wait, you may lose some money. Okay, so affordability is still challenging buyers, right? And we're still at high 6s for interest rates. So most home prices, predicted prices are going to rise, but actually in San Diego, we probably will see home prices continue to decrease. If you have questions about the San Diego housing market or your home value or what you should do if you'd like to buy or sell, please reach out to me. I'm always here, and I'll see you guys on the next video.